Hello guys, what if I told you that there is a LLM which is better than ChatGPT and it is free and completely open source. So there is a model in the name of DeepSeek. It is a Chinese model, but even while it is a Chinese, it is open source. All the weights of it are available online, and you can just download it out. And if you wish to, if you don't have that resources to download it out there, you can just go and uh, see how it works in their thinking process and everything. It's everything is available online on their website. You can go to deepseek.com and just use it. It's just one of the best model out there in the market right now, and that is completely free. Hello guys, if you wish to use DeepSeek chat model, what you can do is you can just directly go to deepseek.com, and deepseek.com will have this thing. And then if you move to chat.deepseek.com, you can just click on it. You can also get a DeepSeek app on your desktop. That's up to you. But you can just go to the chat.deepseek.com. So DeepSeek has this Deepthink. So Deepthink is basically like the DeepSeek R1 model that has come up right now, and it is at par with the OpenAI O1 models. So all the GPT-4, GPT-4o models right now are obsolete, and this is totally free. So you don't have public access as of now, free access for GPT-O1 models and all. Even 4o is not freely available for any of us to use. So what we can do, instead of using paying money to chat GPT or OpenAI, you can just use DeepSeek for your personal use. If you're using an API version, you can go to the one. DeepSeek also provides API, and that is quite cheaper. For a personal use case to use case basis, you can do anything. So just let's try something out there. So we'll just ask it to write a Python code to to find first 50 prime numbers. Okay, so we'll think how it processes out. Okay, so basically it will think out aloud. First it will think that what it needs to do, and then it will give you the final answer. Okay, first it will check, cross check multi n number of times, and then it will give you the answer. So right now it is thinking, and when the thinking process is done, it will just give you the answer, the final answer. So it takes because we are using Deepthink. So if you are if you want to use the latest search functions also, so that is also there. Let's say if you want anything, if you want to do any topic, if you want to search on any topic that is not available, maybe due to the training phase was previously done, so you can use search for button also, and that will give you that part also. Okay, so see what is happening is it is giving you the first 50 prime number. So first it is checking whether the number is a prime number or not. So and then it is giving it is having a list of prime numbers here, and then in this list it is trying to append it out. Okay, so till 50 it will have it out here. Okay, so and it is also giving you the explanation and everything. So in usually the chat GPT models are there, but it's not free, and the data is again they are sometimes if you use Claude also is free up to 5 5 times only, Claude 3.5. So it's better to use chat DeepSeek in that manner. So let's move to that uh, the API docs of API docs of this DeepSeek. So DeepSeek, on various evaluation matrices, DeepSeek is at par with the OpenAI O1 models, and it is a lot better than OpenAI O1 Mini or GPT-4 also. I'll show you that part also. So see DeepSeek R1 for a AIME 2024 at pass at the one, it's at par with GPT O1 model, OpenAI O1 models. And code forces also, it's just at par. It's 96.6 is your code, this OpenAI O1, and it's 96.3. And GPQA also, it's almost better, lot better than the previous models. And in math, it's better than the O1 models also. So it's 97.3 right now. For SWD bench verified also, it's 49.2. So you can if you can go and check the API also, you can see the pricing part also. So the pricing is also quite cheap. So the context length giving the API is 64K right now. That's the input context length right now for you. And the 1 million input token price is 0.014. So lot cheaper than the available ones in GPT ones, or Claude also. So you can use this part. And if you wish to use it on a personal collab or anything, you can, they're also providing the distilled models. So uh, so distilled models with Quen, or you can use distilled models with open this thing, llama models also. So see, the distilled model, smaller models, with Quen, 1.5 B is a billion model parameters is also there. So this is the code forces rating for that. And for 1.5 it is 954. But if you go a little bit higher, that 7 billion model, it's 1189. And then for 14 billion, it's 1481. Okay. And for 32 billion is R1 digital Quen 32B is 1691. So for most of the normal users, these will suffice. And you can use in your normal A100 or H100 also. So you can I just tried it out here in my collab. So in my collab, I tried it out. And just a minute. Yeah, it died. Yeah, just okay. So let me connect the collab. So if you want to use any of the Hugging Face models of it, then you can just go here, go to Hugging Face, and then go to DeepSeek, DeepSeek AI. And you can use use this model directly from here. So use this transformers. Either you can use the pipeline part, directly the pipeline part, or this part also. So I have used this part. The I'm doing loading the model directly, and copy this part. And then what you need to do is you need to mention whether your device is CUDA or not. Otherwise it will be loaded in CPU. And then you need to uh, then you need to give your prompt. And then you need to do the change the inputs to uh, tokens only. So this inputs will be changed to tokens here. And then you need to have this outputs, and then you need to give how many parameter, how many max tokens will be there. If you're going to do sampling on it or not, what is the temperature and what is the top p. And if you're giving any repetition penalty out there. And then you need to decode the output that is coming out there. Okay. So I ran it out here. And so see, it will take some time, right now. I'll just import, just a minute, import torch. So it will take some time. Otherwise, to download the model out here in Colab, you it will take some time. So for you can go to take this Unsloth part. They have this combined versions here. So, or you can directly copy from here itself. Okay, well, the 14 billion model. So I used from Unsloth yesterday. Now this is one. This is the one that I did. So it will take some time to download the charts. There are four this part. So you can use it here like this. And if you have any issues, then do let me know. But I would suggest that you just try it out. This is the one of the best models out there. And for your local, for any use case also, this can be if you have good amount of GPU, local GPU, you can if you don't have, then you can use 1.5 billion version also. So if you don't wish to give it to give your data to any online platform, maybe DeepSeek or any chat GPT. Also you can have a local LLM, so that will help you out. Okay, so I hope you have liked it. So I'm personally using DeepSeek for a lot of my use cases. So it's better that you also try it. Yeah, you can see that it is downloading. So right now, one of the sites is downloaded. So there are four sites. So it will take some time to download all of them, and then we will use it. Okay. So now my all the charts have been downloaded and it's been combined. So now you can see once upon a I've given the input prompt is once upon a time, and it was trying to complete it with some random value that it got. So it just put it some random stuff out here. So let's give it a meaningful thing, and it will write it out. Okay. So we'll just copy this thing and use it in the next tab. So write something about pollution in India. And let's run it. So see, what it does is it is just thinking it's first thought what it needs to do. Just because I have given output token of 5 and 2 only, so I could have increased it, and then it would have given me a better result. But even then, it has written that India faces significant challenges from pollution, particularly air and water pollution, which is significant, which has significant severe implications for public health and environment, and so and so. So it has given me a decent answer out here. Okay, so see, so this is how you can use it. Uh, I have done it from Unsloth. You can directly download the instead of Unsloth, you can directly use from DeepSeek 7 this model itself here, Hugging Face. Go to Hugging Face and you will find all the models there itself, and you can use it. Okay. So I hope you liked it. So do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.